Good morning, Sir Drew. I'm going out right now. I go to church while walking. Walking, it's far the church. So, I will bring my pedometer for the counting step. So, I'll see you later. The update. Hello, Sir Drew. Yan, update from house to church. I have 1,400. So later I will update you again when we go outside. Here, we're walking. We're going to the park. See you later. Walking. Walking kami. Ayan. Yeah, going up. Ayan ang kalsada, paakyat. Diba? Yan sa likod ko. Yung view. Doon ako sa
Kailan niyo pa ba yan?
2,300.
2,000 na.
Sir Drew, I update 3,399. So, yeah, still walking. And I will update you again later. Yeah, update. It's already nighttime here, but we're walking, going
Can you
up.
help me?
Yeah, I have
Can you help
5,044. Oh, stay at the side. There's the... It's already night time. We're walking again. See? There at my back. Ay, not there. Wait, going back. So, I will see your update again. It's night time, but it's still 5,000. It's not moving. We're walking again. Awan pa 5,000 pa lang. Oh. Walking. Long walk again.
Mula ko matikahan na.
Una mula ko mo. Yan, going down. It's night time na 7,900, but it's very far walking again.
Malapit na.
Update later.
2,000 na lang.
Hello, Sir Drew. Yan. Update 9,370. Still walking. Yan. But wait first. Update 9,700, Sir Drew. But still walking. I'm going home. Walking until my house. Because there's no taxi. Just walking until the house. I will update you again later. Yeah. Still walking, going home. Walking along. See? And I have 10,947. The house is still far, so maybe I'll reach 12,000 when I arrive at home. Okay, I will update you again later, Sir Drew, when I am in a house. There's the walking. There is no taxi. There's a lot of taxi, but there's a lot of people going home. That's why there's the line is very long. So better we walk until in my house. See, this is the flyover. Still walking. Yeah, see, I will update you again later, sir. Yeah. See, it's 11,000. Oh, can see there 11,000. Hello, Sir Drew. I'm home now, so I got 11,600 for my 10,000 step challenge. Thank you very much. Good night. I will upload. Thank you.